Hi everyone, I just wanted to ask you for a small help if possible. Sometimes I get asked questions through emails about how to solve problems with AutoHotkey scripts, and I've been directing them to the discussion tab on my channel so other people that visit my channel can also get to see the issues and either help solve them or get answers if they experienced similar problems. I got an email from YouTube recently informing that this discussion tab will be removed soon, pretty much unless the channel has at least 500 subscribers. So at the moment I am about 154 subscribers short. I really don't mind answering emails inquiries directly, but I feel that a lot of good things won't be shared with the public if the conversation was kept to a one-on-one chat. Of course, this is as long as the topic is not private. So if you've been watching my videos and got some help out of them but haven't subscribed to my channel, please do kindly consider subscribing so I can continue to have an open discussion tab with the audience and continue assisting with off-topic AutoHotkey problems on the side. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have great days ahead and see you next time.